be making a bagel sandwich. First step to making a bagel sandwich, you want to get a nice bagel. I have the hiccups, sorry. I'm just going with some Zappies, I think. I don't know. Please cut your bagel in half with the correct knife. So I'm going to be smothering one side with garlic hummus space eaters and putting some quality turkey ham on the sandwich. Melt a small amount of butter in a pan, then just toast your bagel. The thing I forgot to mention, you put 5 degrees on your pan. I don't know what to do while waiting, so I'm going to lift up a cheese grater, and then put it back down. You hear that sizzle? Oh man. A good way to check if it's going along well is not to do what I'm doing. Use a spatula, just a thing. You're going to want to check how the toasting's going. Mine's going pretty well. And if you want to be a professional chef, you always got to do this. I know what I can do. I can make a drink. We're gonna have to wait on the drink because I'm pretty sure this good guy is. Oh yeah. Flip it over and add your cheese. So for the darkness, put your cheese on and then slap your other piece on. Flip that over so the bottom shows. You see that? Alright, back to the drink. What are we making? Pineapple drink. Flip the bagel over when you notice that it's getting crusty on top like this. Make sure to check the crustiness, you gotta do this. Like this. That is maximum crustitude. So once the bottom's looking all crusty, you're gonna wanna turn it onto a very low heat, like low, and wait for that cheese, to melt. I actually don't care, and I'm gonna scoop mine onto a plate. Do a little slicey action with your favorite knife. Magic. Here's a little tip for all you at home. If your pan is still hot, don't turn on the cold tap water and put the tap water on this, or else this will happen. I don't have permission to do that. Be very careful when you're doing this. You can serve on a beautiful day like this. Don't show the neighbor's house. And enjoy with your favorite cat.